30 Days of AI Agents is a hands-on program designed to help learners understand, build, and evaluate modern AI agents using popular open-source frameworks. AI agents are quickly becoming the foundation of intelligent systems that can plan, reason, use tools, and perform multi-step tasks. This program focuses on practical agent development rather than theory, helping learners move from simple agents to more advanced production-style workflows. Over 4 weeks, participants will build AI agents using tools such as N8N, CrewAI, Llama Index, LangGraph, and small agents. The course emphasizes real-world patterns including task orchestration, agent collaboration, tool usage, and evaluation. The program runs as live instructor-led sessions with hands-on exercises and guided labs. By the end of the course, learners will be able to design, build, and evaluate AI agents with confidence and understand how different agent frameworks compare in real use cases. Schedule and format. Duration 30 days. Format live instructor-led sessions. Hands-on, yes, guided labs and exercises. Recordings, available for enrolled students. Batch timings, Friday and Saturday 7 p.m., 8:30 p.m. PEST. Saturday and Sunday 8 p.m., 9:30 a.m. PEST. Who this program is for: software engineers, data engineers, product engineers, automation engineers, AI enthusiasts and builders. Anyone interested in learning how AI agents work in practice. This is not for learners looking only for certificates without hands-on work. 30 days curriculum breakdown. Week 1, Introduction to AI Agents. Build a strong foundation and understand what AI agents are, how they work, and where they are used. What AI agents are and how they differ from simple LLM calls. Core concepts such as planning, memory, tools, and execution. Common agent architectures and patterns. Building your first AI agent using them. Creating a simple workflow-driven agent. Understanding triggers, actions, and tool integration. Week 2, Building AI Agents using CrewAI. Learn how multiple agents collaborate to solve complex tasks. Role-based agents and task delegation. Multi-agent collaboration patterns. Coordinating planning and execution. Build a multi-agent system using CrewAI. Assign roles and responsibilities to agents. Observe how agents collaborate and share context. Week 3, Advanced Agent Frameworks. Understand different architectural approaches to building AI agents. Index-driven agents using Llama Index, graph-based agent workflows using LangGraph. Comparing linear, branching, and graph-based agent execution. Build an AI agent using Llama Index. Build a multi-step agent workflow using LangGraph. Compare behavior and control across frameworks. Week 4, Small Agents and Agent Evaluation. Learn lightweight agent frameworks and how to evaluate agent quality. Lightweight and minimal agent design using small agents. Trade-offs between simplicity and capability. Why agent evaluation matters. Build an AI agent using small agents. Evaluate agent performance, reliability, and reasoning quality. Understand common failure patterns in AI agents. What you will walk away with. By the end of 30 days, you will understand how modern AI agents work, be able to build agents using multiple frameworks, know when to choose one agent framework over another, understand how to evaluate agent behavior and reliability, have hands-on experience building real AI agents,